Hello everyone, it's Dale here with new weekly trading ideas video. What you see before you is the NinjaTrader 8 platform with my custom-made volume profile and VWAP indicators. The chart before you, that's EUR/dollar, 30-minute chart. And in today's video, I'd like to focus on showing you how to trade the weekly point of control. So let's focus on that today, because currently there are a couple of very nice levels which are all based on this strategy. So let me show you with the level on the euro/dollar. If you look at the weekly volume profile, which is this volume profile on the left, this one, then this volume profile shows how the volumes were distributed throughout the whole previous week. As you can see, the heaviest volumes were right here, and this is called the weekly point of control. Now, from this weekly point of control, the price made a strong sell-off, right? So that means that sellers were building up their short positions in this rotation. They formed this weekly point of control here, and then they pushed the price downwards. Now, this is a very important zone for the sellers, this rotation. And for that reason, I think it's very likely that there'll be a reaction to it. So if there's a pullback, then there's a chance that there'll be a reaction like this. The reason why I have that resistance exactly here at 1.0302 is because there's a fair value gap. It's highlighted in red. This is the fair value gap. This whole zone, that's the fair value gap. It's concept from smart money trading, and I like to trade from the beginning of the fair value gap. In this case, it is right here. That's the beginning of the fair value gap. So what we need to do now is just wait for that pullback, and when the price reaches the beginning of the fair value gap, when it reaches this level, then we go short from there. Alright, so that's for the euro. Now let's jump into the next trading idea. The next one will be on the ES. This is a 30-minute chart of the ES. The ES is futures for the Standard & Poor's Index 500. And the level which I have here is very, very similar as on the euro. So if you look at the weekly profile, this one, this is volume profile which shows volume distribution throughout the whole previous week. Then the weekly point of control is in here, right? And again, this formed within a rotation from which strong selling activity started. And this strong selling activity is telling me about the sellers dominating the market. And for that reason, I think that those sellers were active here in this rotation, adding to their short positions, right? Now, very similarly as on the euro, I have my resistance level in here at the beginning of the fair value gap. Again, this red highlighted zone, that's a fair value gap. And the beginning of the fair value gap is 5,942.5. That's the resistance. All right. As you can see, it is at the beginning of this heavy volume zone where the weekly point of control formed, also at the beginning of that fair value gap. So right now we just need to wait for that pullback, and if it occurs, then take it from there. Very, very similar scenario as on the euro. Oh, and one more thing which I wanted to show you here. Notice when the price is trending and moving below the first deviation of the weekly VWAP right here, how nicely it reacts to the VWAP. It reacted here, and also this beautiful pullback to that first deviation of weekly VWAP and a reaction here. By the way, that's also one of my strategies that I like to trade with VWAP. But anyways, those are trades that have already played out. Let's now focus on the levels which haven't been tested yet. And let's go over to the next trading idea. The next one will be on the NQ. So this is 30-minute chart of the NQ. And again, let's start by looking at the shape of the weekly volume profile. This is how the volumes were distributed throughout the whole previous week. This is the weekly point of control, and what I have here is a resistance level. It is not exactly at the weekly point of control, it is a little bit before that, but there's the beginning of the fair value gap. Again, highlighted by the indicator. This is the beginning of it, and the level is 21,275. Alright, so again, it is the same combo, weekly point of control, even though it's not exactly at our level, but it's still in that proximity, and also beginning of the fair value gap. If I use my flexible volume profile like this, then you can see that there were actually pretty heavy volumes formed in this little rotation before this sell-off. So even though the weekly point of control is a little bit higher, another significant volume zone was formed right here before the sell-off started. And I think that this should form the barrier, or in other words, a resistance, which the price should react to. So let's just wait for the pullback, and if the price reaches this zone, then we go short from there, because chances are that sellers from here will want to defend this place, which is clearly important for them because they placed a lot of their short positions there, and they'll want to push the price downwards from there again. Now, if you guys are interested in learning more about volume profile trading, then head over to my website. It is at trader-dale.com, and if you click this button which says Trading Course and Tools, then it will take you to this page where you can browse my trading education and custom-made trading indicators. There's the volume profile pack focusing on volume profile trading. Then there is the order flow pack focusing on day trading with order flow, and brand new smart money pack focusing on smart money trading. All those packs come with video courses, custom-made trading software, and dedicated tech support. And if you scroll down a bit, then you can get all 3 courses together for one discounted price right here. And if you guys are interested in day trading with me and other prop firm traders every day, then I recommend checking out a brand new service. It's called the Funded Trader Academy right here. So if you click that, then it will take you to this page. There's a video which you can watch, and I'll explain everything more in detail in this video. And if you think that you are ready to join us, then we can have a one-on-one call, which you can book right here. And then you can decide whether this service is right for you or no. Now, before I wrap the video up, I'd like to announce a winner of a contest we had last time. The prize of the contest were my custom-made volume profile and VWAP indicators for TradingView platform. And right now on your screen, you see the name of the person who won in the contest. So congratulations to the winner. And what I'll do next is I'll do another contest for the next week. The only thing that you need to do to participate in this contest is leave a comment below this video, which I'll publish on YouTube. And next week I'll randomly pick one person to win this set of custom-made indicators. So that's about that. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time. And until then, happy trading!